monetizing this, as I said, but I'm gonna use Stripe like to manage the users and store stuff, just because like that way if I do decide to monetize, it will be really easy to do. So let's create an account. I might need to set stuff up. I don't know if it'll just like pull my, okay, activate my account. Here's where I have to do all the stuff. So I am going to put in my details. Unfortunately, I think I'll have to like, yeah, bully Goosh DB. I'm going to have to block the screen for a bit, but I promise you it's exciting, sort of. Just putting in like the address and the country and all that stuff first of all. And then same thing here, business address, okay, industry, what's the industry? It's not really software as a service. I mean, it sort of is software as a service. I think that'll work the best. Do you need to like, does this need to be approved or something? It's a, what should I say, a shareable profile for makers. I will charge for extras such as custom domains. Cool. Then what else do I need to fill out here? .rocks. That goes there. Okay. Just putting in bank stuff. Just drop to number 4. Okay. Okay, yeah, there's a bit of a, like, this process will probably take like 5 minutes, maybe. Okay, wait a sec, I need to get details for something. Okay, okay, yep, yay, back to number 3, nice. Okay, this looks all good. Okay, I think we're nearly done now. I'm nearly done, don't worry. Get it over with. Okay, I think this is it. Okay. I'm nearly done. Okay. Do I have a Nintendo Switch? No. Why? Okay, we're ready. First of all, actually, I need to just check this for a sec. Shh. Okay. Don't worry. I'll block it out after. Yeah. backend languages. I just use JavaScript. Whoops. Yeah, you can use JS as a backend. Yeah, like Node.js. Okay, cool. I think we are, I think we're ready. Wait a sec. English. Okay. Yeah, I know. I'll block it out after. Don't come stalk me, okay? Yeah. Reddit? Okay, okay, let's check Twitter for a sec, and then let's start backend stuff. Okay, cool. Oh, okay. Okay, so what we're going to want to do, basically, is when somebody signs up, we're going to request this this cloud function, and the cloud function is going to create a Stripe customer. Then it doesn't really need to. I could subscribe them. Can you blur stuff out on Twitch? I can like download it and re-upload it. It's all good. So I don't really need to subscribe the customer to any sort of plan. So I'm actually going to copy the Cloud Functions repository from Kanban Mail, just because like it took like a while to set up Yarn and Node and all that sort of stuff. So I'm going to go here, and just in case, like, I'm gonna put up the screen again for a second in case environment variables show. So I'm copying everything over now, basically. I make you want to code, okay? Do you not know how to code, or like just aren't coding right now? Okay, so in case you're wondering what I'm doing right now, I'm copying my Stripe API key into here. You know how to code. Okay, cool. Yeah, that's what I thought. Just checking. Okay, well, that's good that I've been motivating you. Okay, for some reason my code editor has just gone all weird. Probably because... Oh, okay. I think it's because stuff is still copying. Okay, here we go. Ugh, what is happening? I'm gonna restart my code editor for a sec. If you're wondering why it's blurred, well, like, has the thing up, it's because, like, I'm like copying over API keys, which you're not allowed to see unless you want to hack me. So yeah. Of course, when I like do the node stuff, everything stops working. I mean, like, when I say hack, it wouldn't really be a hack because it's easy. You just like paste in the keys and like do whatever mischief you want. Okay, there we go. My editor is actually working now, which is good. Sublimal brackets. Brackets. Okay. I think I am ready to show. Actually, I need to paste in the other API key, and then I can show you stuff. So, yeah, Visual Studio Code is probably more powerful and stuff, but like, I feel like most of the features I wouldn't really use. I like brackets because it's minimal, basically. Okay, awesome. I think I can show stuff now. So this is the code for Kanban mail, which creates a user in Stripe. So basically, I can probably simplify a lot of this stuff. Also, I'm going to rename this to signup.js. No, brackets does close your HTML tags. It's like definitely powerful enough, put it that way. So that's test data. Globals. Wait a sec, I need to block something for like 2 seconds while I modify something from the old code. Okay, cool. Let's just go in here for a sec and oh wait, is this still blocked? Okay, we can unblock it now. That's all good. So what this does, let's just work out what my code actually does. So we need to retrieve it to see if a customer already exists. I'm doing things slightly differently to what I did for Kanban mail. I was like, no, the keys aren't hard-coded. They're in an environment file. So last time what I did for Kanban mail was I did IDs based on like hashes of emails, but that brought up like a few problems with email address. Okay, so this is node. What are we looking for? They're like, yeah, I think in customers, here we go. Is there an email field? There is an email field. Okay, so we want to work out how to get the object, see if a customer has something with an email address. In fact, you know what? Who has time for documentation? Let's where are we? Customers. Yeah, who has time for documentation? Why don't we just go straight in and say Stripe find customer by email. Here we go. My computer's starting to slow down a bit. I might quit Telegram, I think. 156 things. Jeez. Let's just check Telegram notifications. Okay, then that's it. 71 people alive. That's pretty crazy. Okay, so let's close that and oh wait, you can't do that? Really? Oh, it does allow. Okay. Okay. Email. Here we go. Arguments. Okay. So actually, I think I'm actually going to rebuild this because this code is kind of a mess. Return. We don't want a callback function. We will just have okay, so email will be body.email. Body.email. Okay, cool. Then we'll say then email console.log customers with email. Okay, let's go like this. Now we're going to make something here. I'll just make a file called this. Yeah, okay, let's say S. Actually, let's say testers. And this will be sign up tester.js. So var function equal. Okay, let's say var sign up lambda. Finally, a stream that's worth my time. Thank you, Uzen01. Thanks for popping by. So we will say require /src/lambda/signup.js, and then we're going to say sign up lambda, and I'm fairly sure event. Okay, so method is post, and then body is json.stringify. Let's say email ethan@example.com. Yeah, the background music. This is what I usually use while coding. Cd maker.rocks. maker.rocks slash code slash cloud functions. I think we can say like node testers slash. Does this work? Sign up lambda is not a function. Oh, okay. Is it exports? Let's try this. Sign up lambda. Still not a function. Oh, it's dot handler. Oh. Is it? Let's try this. You didn't provide an API key. Oh yes, that's because we need to load the environment variables. So this will basically load the like secret thing, which lets me access Stripe. So you did set your authorization header to null. Oh, okay, wait a sec. I need to change the environment variables file for 2 seconds. I named the environment variable wrong. Okay. Let's try this. Awesome. So what we can say is so basically what we're doing here is we receive a variable called actually let's just say respond. Let's just say res. So then we'll say var if customers with email.length is greater than 0, then we're going to send a response saying like, wait a sec, they've already signed up or something. HTTP status codes for. Okay, here we go. What's this? How do you feel about Chrome's desktop PWAs? Desktop PWAs. I think they're a bit underpowered at the moment, but I haven't looked into them much. Then what's this? Anyway, is there any easy way to debug Lambda? So with Netlify Cloud Functions, basically there's like a console where you can look. So which stores like, let's say, I think the last 30 minutes of something or something like that. But yeah, so like you can sort of do it. 409 conflict. Yeah, let's just go 400. I don't even know if this actually matters. Or I could just return like. Okay, let's just maybe I should just go with yeah, exactly, that's what I'm thinking. HTTP status codes. I might just do think there's like something just... Okay, yeah, it's client error. Unauthorized, nope. Method not allowed, nope. Not acceptable. No, we don't want that. Which should we go with? Maybe like... I'm thinking we should go with so status. What should I do? It doesn't really matter, to be honest. Why don't we just do let's just do 401 unauthorized. Let's just go with that because it's like more standard. Then we have body error. Then we can say user exists. Okay. You know what, we could actually just say code. Yeah, let's go JSON dot stringify this. Okay, so then that will return up, except this is in the wrong bit. That should be there. Okay, yeah. Otherwise, we will continue. So return. Create a customer. Let's see how we do that. Create. Just guessing the URL. Oh, Flavio. Hey, what's up? Yeah, this is my coding music. It's a playlist of songs by this like group of two people called 2 Steps from Hell. Yeah, I like it. I think there's a link under the stream. But yeah, if you don't know, Flavio makes great coding tutorials. So if you want to learn to code, check those out. Yeah, okay. What email? Okay, so it looks like we just I'll put this here. What is your favorite project aside? Oh, you mean like my favorite project that like someone else has made? Is that what you mean? There are so many of them, really. Obviously, like I really love maker.rocks that that Sergio is working on, because like I use it. We should log some stuff there soon. Talking of which, yeah, I also like I haven't used it, but what Corey Gwynn is doing with Blurt. Like that looks really nice. Looks like he's making like a great product that like people love, and so yeah, that's really good too. But I mean, there are a ton of awesome indie maker projects. It's hard to just come up with one. Yeah. Okay, so the response console.log response. What do we say? Is it res? Yeah, okay. Let's just go here. I'll add error handling soon, by the way. So let's try should I do my actual email? Okay, me@ethan.link. Don't spam me, please, via this email. Okay, awesome. So now we should have a customer that appears here. Oh, my project. I mean, that's mainly what I've worked on. Like, those are really the only things that I've shipped, like that I've launched and stuff. But like, there were a few other things which I started making. I made like a thing for like blog post ideas, because I was thinking sometimes you're just like, oh, it would be really awesome if somebody wrote a blog post on that, and like sometimes if you're a blogger, you're like, what on earth should I write about? And like, I want to write about something which people want. So I was thinking of this thing where like, people can submit blog posts that they want people to write, and then like people can upvote blog post ideas, and if you're a blogger, then you can come to the site and you can claim that post, and like you can see how many people think it's a good idea based on upvotes. So like, talking about it again, it actually sounds like quite a good idea. So like, I might work on that sometime, but I don't know. Okay, so that's good. We have a customer now. That is a great start. Let's see what Sergio's saying. I'm going. Okay. By the way, I'm actually gonna not have passwords. Yeah, that's Reddit. So I mean, I think it's different from blog posts, because like with apps, it's like, would somebody like use this daily or not use this daily? Whereas with a blog post, it's just like, would somebody read it for 2 minutes? You know. But yeah. Okay, cool. So we have a customer created now. So we should probably do some error handling. First of all, let's see what happens if I try to sign up as me again. Will it create a second customer, or callback is not a function? What? Oh yeah. That's because in the tester thing, I need to. What's context? Let's just have an empty thing, and then the callback will be console.log. So when it calls something back, it'll just log it to us. Unexpected token. What's that about? It's a bit weird. Why is this an unexpected token? Oh yeah. Wait, what? Ah, okay. Whoop, this was in the wrong spot. This should be outside the object. There we go. That's better. Awesome. So then we get an error saying user exists, and that's good. So now, let's say we just go to maker.rocks, and actually we can't fetch this because it's not live yet, is it? So let's set this up live, I think, because it's basically ready. Let's make a add repository, create new repository. We're going to go to here, code, cloud functions. Cool. So this will push these to Netlify basically. Let's just wait for the changes to come through. Here we go. So in the .gitignore, we should also... What? It's a bit weird. Is there even a dist folder? No, okay. So we can probably remove those. Let's say /testers. Now, yep, and we also need to .n because we don't want to upload our secret environment variables. What's this? nvmrc8. Let's block that too. .nvmrc because we don't need to upload that. We should probably keep that. Maybe I should keep dist just in case, because it looks like a netlify. Oh, we did have dist still. And then like okay, awesome. Looks good. Okay. Initial commit. What is this? sign.js cloud function. Is Twitch cutting out the audio? Can somebody else in the chat? I take it that was meant to be internet. If somebody in the chat could tell me if they can hear me, and like if I'm cutting out or not, that would be good. Let's have a look. 0.2% dropped frames, so it's probably on. Okay, you hear fine. It does that, and then the quality lowers. I think it might be a problem with your internet. Okay. Yeah, it might be a problem with 360 and 160p. Okay, thanks everyone. Thanks for saying, like, hi. Feel free to comment in the chat, whenever. Yep, looks like your Wi-Fi. So now let's make a new project here, for Cloud Functions. Yep, looks good. Create project. Now let's go back to fork. Push. Nope, it didn't pick it up automatically this time, but that's okay. Maybe it was because I had a copy or something. Okay, cool. So now when I reload, it should all show up. GitLab versus Bitbucket. I haven't actually used Bitbucket before. I'm using GitLab instead of GitHub because they provide free private repos. I'm not sure about GitHub. I mean Bitbucket. Okay, so Cloud Function project. So what Cloud Functions are going to be is that's basically the back end because I don't have a proper server. So a Cloud Function is basically like you call a URL and then it runs some JavaScript and like returns a response. So that's what it is. Hello, Ghoul Orb. How are you? Okay, Cloud Functions. yarn build. Yeah, let's just try this. Do I look at the chat? Yeah, I do look at the chat. First of all, let's set this up as maker dot rocks cloud functions. No, I don't know who you are. Okay, cool. Now let's go to domain management and add a custom domain. Let's go functions.maker.rocks. Okay, I don't know. Okay, yeah, the DNS stuff is working now. Now I'm going to add my my API keys into here. So I'll just put that there for a sec. Even though it's a test key, but like you know, it doesn't hurt to hide it just in case. Don't want you spamming my test environment either. Okay. So let's see how stuff is going. How many people are watching right now? 40, nice. Hey 40 people, what's up? Yeah, I am actually streaming for 24 hours. Yeah. Okay, so now if we go to functions, what's the URL again? The audio on lower resolutions. I don't really know how I'd do that. Yeah. I might yeah, for the moment I'm just gonna focus on doing this. Yeah, Tamagotcha. So with the cloud functions, I'm basically going to create new customers in Stripe. I can't do that on the front end because it requires secret API keys. Here we go. So if let me try, where is it here? Let me try requesting this URL. Fetch. Put this in here. Dot then, whoop, favorite video game. Okay. I don't really play video games. much. Then, okay, favorite video game. I basically don't play video games. Response console.log. Yeah. And we should add a. I'm just doing this basically to test cooling stuff. This should be email test1@example.com. Let's see what happens, basically. Okay, so there was an error. Oh, it's because it shouldn't be .js, it should just be like that. 502. Okay, let's go to here, and I can view like a log. Well, that is not helpful. Error message, object. I think I just showed you my Stripe secret key, but it's like my test secret key, so like, doesn't really matter too much. Ooh, okay, I basically have no idea what the problem would be in that case. Error message, object. What on earth would that be? Oh, what? That was 5. Oh no, that was. Oh. Okay, I'm really silly. This should be body json.stringify. Thanks, Tamagotcha. This should be method post. Okay, what happened now? Oh, is it literally? Did I forget to? I forgot to send a response at all. So over here, we will just send a response saying 200 OK. I think that's what it is. Right? 200 OK. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. So stage actually return a response when the customer is created. Then we'll push that. Push. Now I actually have to wait like a certain amount of time for these functions to build every time. So like if we